According to information from the German embassy in Ukraine, the Ukrainian army has been using 30 units of Gepard vehicles. This is a German-made 35mm self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system. Welcome back to the Military Report Today channel, which will relay information about the capabilities of the 35mm self-propelled anti-aircraft weapon system, which has been used by Ukrainian forces to destroy Russian missiles. Gepard, this air defense vehicle was first developed in 1976 and 1980 by the German company Krauss-Maffei Wegmann, KMW, which has always remained effectively used to counter from enemy air threats including drones. Here's Gepard's self-propelled air defense system, supplied by Germany, has proven effective against Iran's kamikaze Shahid-136 drone, which has brought disaster to Russia in Ukraine. Known as the Cheetah, the Gepard, which is equipped with a turret, is operated by two troops, armed with two Oerlikon Kontraves 35mm KDA guns, which have a mooring speed of 550 rds per minute and a maximum firing range of 5,500 meters. The Gepard-mounted cannon can fire a variety of ammunition, including high-explosive incendiary HEIs. In terms of mobility, Gepard is based on a tracked chassis of the MBT Leopard 1, which offers a high level of mobility in all-terrain conditions. The operated Gepard can travel at a maximum road speed of 65 km per hour, with a maximum cruising range capability of 550 km in off-road conditions. Gepard can cross a trench 3 meters deep with a crossing depth of 2.5 meters. Gepard, equipped with radar and electro-optical guidance, can fire 35mm caliber shells. 18-ton wheeled OSA can launch missiles up to a range of 9 miles with a height of 8 miles. The weapon is equipped with an automatic belt bait, with the barrel length is 90 caliber 3,150mm, which can use a variety of standard 35mm ammunition, including exhaust sabot ammunition, FAPDS, can penetrate armor. FAPDS rounds have a muzzle velocity of more than 1,400 meters per second. Gepard has 8 smoke releasers installed on either side of the turret. KMW used the Stinger surface-to-air missile system to build a missile system for Gepard. Each 35mm gun on the Gepard vehicle, equipped with 320 rounds of anti-air ammunition and 20 rounds of ground target ammunition. Both barrels can fire at a rate of 1,100 rounds per minute. Gepard has a separate search and trace radar, with search radar mounted on the rear front of the turret and tracking radar mounted on the rear front of the turret. Gepard vehicles equipped with radar can work with 360-degree scanning, while simultaneously monitoring targets, can suppress clutter, allow search while moving, and operate in monopulse tracking mode. The German army is known to have 420 Gepard units. In addition, several countries have also used these anti-aircraft weapons, including Belgium, the Netherlands, Brazil, Chile, Jordan, Romania, and Qatar.